Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to create an Instagram broadcast channel step by step. So please, if you want to go ahead and learn this, please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, all we need to basically do is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. Now, once you have already done so, of course, you also need to make sure that you are currently using a professional account on your Instagram applications or Instagram accounts. So as you see right here, I'm currently already using one. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on this home icon, and then I'm going to tap on this option onto the top right to access my DMs. Next, I'm going to tap on channels, and the option for you guys to create a new broadcast channel should be located over here. Of course, you do need to become a Instagram creator. So as you see, the only option for us to basically go on here is to view channels that have already been made, and the option for us to create one is not necessarily available just yet. Of course, you do need to again have a professional account to do this, and you also need to complete all of the basic stuff that you have over onto these steps to complete your professional account. And one more thing that we could also do on here is to get Meta verified and apply for their specific subscription plan to be Meta verified. Doing so will actually have us or give us the option to create our broadcast channel. But if you are already done and already verified and everything is already set for you, you could actually go ahead and do what I'm doing right now, which is tapping on my DM section, tapping on the channels tab, tapping on this option on the new inbox, and there should be a create broadcast channel located just here on this section of your screen. Now that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.